Hello everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a gorgeous little baby mulberry for you today. How cute is this? This is the Mulberry Mini Darley and it is just adorable. It's in this gorgeous charcoal coloured mulberry leather. Mulberry leather is always so beautiful, and in this Darley especially, it's got a lovely kind of soft feel to it. Got gorgeous gold hardware. It's just a really sweet little bag, so I'm going to talk you through all the features of it. So we've got adjustable straps, so you can have it as a shorter kind of shoulder double strap, or you can pull it through and you've got a nice long crossbody strap as well. And then we have got a flap closure with that Mulberry postman's lock, and inside we have got one pocket on the front, and then we have got 3 card slots in that main compartment as well, in this beautiful smooth leather interior. I love when a bag is all leather. I really feel like it just makes it feel like true luxury, high quality, especially when it's made out of such beautiful leather. So that is the features of it. As well as being a beautiful bag, it is in a really nice condition. So we have called the exterior excellent condition. There is no wear to it at all. All of these corners are perfect. Often with a soft leather like this, when they have wear, you can see it in the corners, but you can see that this has obviously been really well looked after. And when you do look after it well, it still looks gorgeous like this. So that's why I've called the exterior excellent condition. The hardware we've called very good condition because it is so close to being excellent. It literally just has the tiniest little scratch on the postman's lock, which I'm not even sure if you'll be able to see, but it's beautiful. The rest of the hardware is beautiful. No wear to it at all. It's all a beautiful pale gold colour, which goes with the colour of the leather really nicely. So that is why I've called the hardware very good condition. The interior we have called very good condition. It is mostly gorgeous. It's just got the slightest bit of kind of creasing in this leather flap closure here. That would just be from where it's been resting over the edge like that. But other than that, it is in a very nice condition. There's some very slight faint marks in this main compartment, but there is no marking in this front compartment. So that is why I've called the interior very good condition. Let me show you what it comes with. So we have a little Mulberry card sleeve, and inside there we've got the Mulberry care guide and the Mulberry little product card with all that information on there too. And then we have got a little Mulberry bag to keep it protected while it's in storage as well. While I'm back here, I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4". As you can see, you can have it with that double shoulder strap, and it is gorgeous. Even though it's a beautiful leather, it's still quite lightweight. And it is the mini, but you can fit a lot into this. I think you can fit your phone in it, and you can fit a few extra essentials into it. I think it would make a really nice kind of out for lunch little bag. It's a daytime bag, it's beautiful, but it could easily go on into the evening as well because it is nice and small and not too heavy to carry around. So that's the size on me. If you'd like to know the exact measurements, head to the website. So go to the link in the description below. It will take you straight to this if it's still available. If it isn't still available, that link will take you to our general product page. We have so much gorgeous arm candy, especially Mulberry. We know a lot of you are Mulberry lovers, so make sure you have a browse through what we do have available. But if it's this in particular you were looking out for, let us know. You can fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you want one of these. And then you'll be one of the first to know. We'll get you on the request list. You'll be one of the first to know next time we have one in, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. While you're on the website as well, don't forget to sign up to the